इतनी गर्मी में कैसे रहते हो? हाउ डू यू मैनेज इन सच अ हीट? हाउ डू यू मैनेज इन सच अ हीट? तुम वापस कैसे आए? हाउ डिड यू कम बैक? हाउ डिड यू कम बैक? तुम कौन सी किताब पढ़ना चाहते हो? Which book do you want to read? Which book do you want to read? उसने तुम्हें ऐसा क्यों कहा? Why did he say so to you? Why did he say so to you? मैं कुछ लाऊं? Do I bring something? Do I bring something? बताइए मैं आपकी क्या सेवा कर सकता हूँ? Tell me how can I help you? Tell me how can I help you? कौन आया था दरवाजे पर? Who was there at the door? Who was there at the door? तुम कब मिलोगे? When will you meet? When will you meet? तुम मुझे क्यों नहीं समझते? Why don't you understand me? Why don't you understand me? मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या लाऊं? What do I bring for you? What do I bring for you? तुम्हें अभी तुरंत जाना होगा. You will have to leave right away. You will have to leave right away. तुम कहीं जा रहे हो? Are you going somewhere? Are you going somewhere? मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है. I am feeling angry. I am feeling angry. तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं कहना चाहिए था. You shouldn't have said so. You shouldn't have said so. बताओ मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? Tell me what should I do? Tell me what should I do? तुम ऐसा सोच भी कैसे सकते हो? How can you even think so? How can you even think so? जब तक आप नहीं आओगे मैं इंतजार करूंगा. Until you come, I'll wait. Until you come, I'll wait. उसने ऐसा क्या कहा कि तुम्हें बुरा लग गया? What did he say to make you feel bad? What did he say to make you feel bad? मेरा तुम्हें दुख पहुंचाने का कोई इरादा नहीं है. I don't mean to hurt you. I don't mean to hurt you. तुम तो जानते हो कि मैं मजबूर हूँ. You know it very well that I am helpless. You know it very well that I am helpless. जब तक जवाब नहीं दोगे मैं तुम्हें जाने नहीं दूंगा. Until you answer, I'll not let you go. Until you answer, I'll not let you go. मुझे इस किताब की कीमत नहीं मालूम. I have no idea of the cost of this book. I have no idea of the cost of this book. तुम्हें अपने काम में व्यस्त रहना चाहिए. You must be busy in your work. You must be busy in your work. मैंने उसके साथ क्या गलत किया है? What wrong have I done to him? What wrong have I done to him? ध्यान रखना तुम्हें वहाँ जाना है. Keep in mind that you have to go there. Keep in mind that you have to go there. मैं अभी भी इसी बारे में सोच रही हूँ. I am still thinking about it. I am still thinking about it. आसमान बादलों से घिरा हुआ था. The sky is overcast. The sky is overcast. वे परीक्षा के लिए काफी तैयारी कर रहे हैं. They are preparing enough for the exams. They are preparing enough for the exams.